What up, good people? Today is 2-Minute Tip Tuesday. Let's get into this video. So today we're going to talk about how long wiper blades last. From 6 to 12 months. If you get cheaper wiper blades, that's from 2 months to 4 months. Yes, you getting your money worth out of them cheap wiper blades. That's 2 months to 4 months. And to be honest with you, you're going to get it on the low end. So you're going to get too much and you're going to be looking like, yo, I just replaced these wiper blades. Yeah, you got the cheap wiper blades. So you want to get something mid, not too expensive, but mid expensive, so they can last from 6 to 12 months. And you looking like, yo, all right, cool. I got my money worth out of these wiper blades. You know, your boy Artist Speed have $60 wiper blades on the Gen Coupe, and so they last for about a year or so. So sometimes 2 years. It depends on the condition where I live at. If it's not raining too much or the sun is not beaming too much on my car, yes, the wiper blades actually last a little longer. But yeah, I'm paying $60. I'm looking like, yo, all right, cool. If I pay $60, I don't have to pay $60 into next year or the following year, because yeah, I'm getting my money worth out of them wiper blades. So I like those wiper blades. I've been using them wiper blades for a long time. They are the Rain-X Quantum blades, so they're pretty good and I like them a lot, you know. But this video is not sponsored by Rain-X. But how long do they last? Yeah, I told you from 6 to 12 months, but it depends on the condition. So how do you know if your wiper blades need to be replaced? From the condition of the wiper blades, or if it's leaving streaks on the window, and you know, you get those bad rainy days and you getting them little squeaks on the windshield, and it's not clearing the windshield as properly that you know that the wiper blades should be doing. Yes, it's time to replace those wiper blades soon as possible. This video is sponsored by GT Shine. GT Shine is a car detailing company where you can dry your car under 90 seconds. They have this twist drying towel that can dry your car under 90 seconds. Yo, who don't need that? Because when I'm outside in the hot heat, I'm looking like, yo, I'm ready for this to be over with. So yeah, head over to the website. Don't get yourself caught in a bad rainstorm and you know you need wiper blades. You don't want to be on the side of the road and you stopping like, yo. Yeah, it happened to your boy Artist Speed when he had the Dodge Neon, and I'm looking like, yo, I don't need no wiper blades. Then when the bad rainstorm came, your boy was on the side of the road with the flashers, and I'm looking like, how y'all getting past? How y'all passing me? You know, but yeah, I didn't have no good wiper blades on the car. So now I'm the person who passed, and I'm like, yo, all right, cool, you gotta get some better wiper blades. So yeah, the signs that you need to look for is cracking in the rubber, streaking on the windshield, or your rubber just look like it's just trash. So you need to replace those wiper blades soon as possible. But if you enjoyed this video, go and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Speed Fam, go ahead and subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.